Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 18, The Golden Arrow. So before starting the chapter, let us read the word meanings. Archer, skill in shooting. Archer means it is a skill in shooting. Marksmanship, a person who shoots with bows and arrows. Craft means tricky. Lincoln green, bright green woolen cloth originally made at a place called Lincoln in England. So Lincoln green, it is a kind of green woolen cloth which is made in England. Friars means monk. Gloweringly, with an angry look on one's face. So to give an angry look is known as gloweringly. Induce means convince. Now let us start the chapter. Robin Hood was the best archer in all the land. Even the king had heard of his wonderful marksmanship, and even though he knew him an outlaw, he had an admiring and almost kindly feeling for his bold outlaw who shot so marvelously well. But the greedy lords and churchmen who opposed the people hated Robin Hood, and the sheriff of Nottingham hated him most of all, and wished above all things to hang him on the gallows. So this story is about a man whose name is Robin Hood. He was a wonderful archer. The king of Nottingham had a kindly feeling for Robin Hood. He used to admire Robin Hood the most, but the greedy lords and churchmen of Nottingham, they hated Robin Hood, and the sheriff of Nottingham hated him the most, and he wished to hang Robin Hood on the gallows. "I have it," said the sheriff of Nottingham at last, with a very sour look on his grim face. "I will catch him by craft. I will proclaim a great archery festival and get all the best archer in England to come here to shoot. I will offer for the prize an arrow of beaten gold that will be sure to fetch Robin Hood and his men here, and then I will catch them and hang them." So the sheriff says that I have a great idea to catch Robin Hood. I will arrange a archery festival, and I will invite all the great archers of England to come there to shoot, and the prize will be an arrow of beaten gold, and through this festival I will be able to catch Robin Hood and also his men, and I will catch them and hang them. These words are said by the sheriff of Nottingham. Now Robin Hood and his men did come to archery contest, but they did not come in the suits of Lincoln green. They wore as men of forest. Each man dressed himself up to seem somebody else. So Robin Hood and his men, they attained the archery festival, but they were not on their own clothes as the suits of Lincoln green. They wore something else. They wore something else so that nobody will be able to guess them that they are Robin Hood and their men. Some appeared as barefoot friars, some as travelling tinkers or tradesmen, some as beggars, and some as rustic peasants. Robin Hood was the hardest to recognize of all. So everybody had a different appearance. Somebody came barefooted monks, like a barefoot monk, some came as tradesmen, and some as beggars, and some were dressed as rustic peasants, like the villagers. But Robin Hood, he dressed in such a manner that he was hardest to recognize. He went dressed from top to toe in tattered scarlet, the raggedest beggar that had ever been seen in Nottingham. The sheriff was looking everywhere with cruel glances for Robin Hood, and very cross he was that he did not see Robin there. So the dress of Robin Hood was tattered. He was wearing tattered scarlet from top to toe, looking like a raggedest beggar. Robin Hood was dressed in such a manner that no beggar was seen there in Nottingham. He was the different of all the beggars. The sheriff was looking everywhere for Robin Hood, but he was not able to see Robin there. He was not able to find Robin Hood there. But Robin was there, though the sheriff did not see him. There he stood in the ragged beggar garment, not 10 feet away from the sheriff. So Robin Hood was standing just beside sheriff, but the sheriff was not able to see him, as the Robin Hood was dressed in ragged beggar garment, and he was just beside the sheriff, even not 10 feet away from him. The targets were placed 80 yards from where the archers were to stand. There were a great number of archers to shoot, and each was to have one shot. Then the 10 who shot best were to shoot 2 arrows each, and the 3 who shot best out of the 10 were to shoot 3 arrows each. The one who came nearest to the center of the target was to get a prize. So the target for the archers were 80 yards away from them. They had to stand 80 yards. So the distance between the target and the archers were 80 yards. And a lot of archers had came in that archer festival. Then from that archers, the best 10 were chosen, and then those 10 were given a chance to shoot 2 arrows each, and from that 10, 3 best archers were taken out, and they were given 3 arrows each to shoot, and the one who came to the nearest of the center of the target was going to get a prize. So students, today we have done half of the chapter. In our next video we will complete it. So your homework is to go through the chapter and read the word meanings. So that's all for today. Thank you.